meal is coming. See, I'm vlogging. Excited Neo.
Vlog.
Vlog. We're doing a vlog. Aren't we? Vlog. Vlogging.
It's expensive like this one.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. 500 Australian, I think, for the GoPro 7 Black.
how much is that?
500 Australian in pesos. Oh, good question. Let me guess. Oh, now you're trying me. Hang on. Hang on to this. You hang on. Point towards us. And you. Down. A little bit down. That's better. Yeah. Now let me work it out. Calculator. Okay. I think it was about a bit over 500. It was like 550 Australian. So I go times 34. Is that right? Or divided by? Yeah, times 34. 18,700 pesos for this camera. Yeah.
Gosh.
Gosh.
GoPros. Expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive, GoPro. GoPro, you're making your cameras too expensive. Otherwise, if you made them cheaper, we'd have more videos, right?
Yeah.
Well, here we are. Here's our dinner. Can we have 2 more juice? You want another 4 Season?
Yeah, but not that one. Like
Not
pure
this one?
juice, no?
Or do you want alcohol with pure juice?
The pure, not just like sticky. Different.
Oh, this is sticky. Okay, she doesn't like the juice. Alright, I'm going to end this vlog. And we're going to have some chips, fries, French fries with
Chicken nuggets.
chicken nuggets. Squared chicken nuggets. It's weird.